A garden is not just a mishmash of vegetables. It has different spaces which must be planned. To organize our garden, we take 4 spaces into account: a nursery area for seed beds, a compost area, a weather station, and the cultivation plots. Each of these spaces will also be organized in the same way in our virtual garden, the app for your students' tablets or phones. First of all, to organize our garden, we'll reserve a space for the seed beds in a well-lit classroom or a greenhouse. The seed beds need mild humidity and temperature to favor the germination and growth of the seedlings, so we'll have to monitor these values on a daily basis. Another of the spaces in our garden will be the compost area. In it, we'll install a sensor to monitor temperature and humidity values. In addition to these spaces, we may also have devices for collecting environmental data. For example, a weather station will allow us to monitor the daily records of each sensor. Finally, to organize our garden well, we'll separate the plots by crops and install probes in them to record soil moisture data each day. It must be taken into account that the irrigation needs may be different depending on the type of crop. A good way to integrate the Internet of Things into your students' learning is to use educational kits. The sensors will send the daily information to a cloud database service, which can then be read in your app or dashboard for each day. It's advisable to use graphs that help your students understand the information. In this way, we can use new technologies to observe our garden and have it properly organized. Download our sample app and you'll discover very interesting features for your students. You also have the open source in our repository.